Hola friends, I am so glad to see a lot of you are enjoying the recipe handbook collection that I recently released. A lot of you are even making your own recipe handbook using the printable recipe inserts that are available to instant download on my Etsy. And I had a sweet subscriber ask for a tutorial on how to install the ring binder mechanism on your cover. So let's get started with that tutorial. So for the materials, you will need your fully decorated recipe handbook cover, fully decorated front and back cover, as well as the inner covers. However, don't attach your dangles just yet. You will also need a long hole puncher, or in this case I'm using a crop-a-dial. And you will also need your ring binder mechanism. I will have the one I'm using linked below. These 4 pieces are included for easy installation. And you will also need a flathead screwdriver to install your ring binder mechanism to your cover. So to get started, open your cover and lay it flat and place your ring binder mechanism where you are going to install it. Grab a pen and make markings on the holes so we know where to hole punch. If you're using a crop-a-dial, use the 3/16 hole and hole punch the area you marked. Obviously, my hole punches are already done. This is one of my recipe handbooks that's already available for sale on my Etsy. This is why my dangles are already on my journal cover. It'd be much easier to do this hole punch without your dangles, so make sure you hole punch before adding your dangles. Grab your long screw thingies. I'm sorry, I don't know what these are called. And you're going to insert them under your cover through the holes that you made, just as shown on the video. Now grab your ring binder mechanism, and those screws will be going right in the 2 holes of your mechanism. And now you're grabbing your smaller screws. You can screw them in and tighten the ring binder mechanism to the spine of your cover. Now I'm just picking it up, making sure that it is properly installed and that it does open and close well. And that's it. It's a pretty easy and fast installation. If you mind seeing the screws on the spine of your cover, you can cover it up with lace or fabric, and that looks super cute. I think I might be adding it to the recipe handbooks that are still available on my Etsy. To get a closer look at my recipe handbooks, watch the YouTube video I linked below. It is a complete detailed flip through. These recipe inserts are also available in my Etsy shop as instant downloads and also as physical prints. If you'd like me to print them for you and ship them home, that is also available. That YouTube video also shows you how to download printables on Etsy. I also recommend to you what is the best paper to use to print my colorful digitals. I will have the YouTube video, my Etsy shop, and all my social media linked below. Please do let me know in the comments what other process videos interest you to see. This Hispanic Heritage Month has really inspired me to share more of my creative processes, so I am definitely open to any ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.